Ford Ranger T6 install Cogoo 9-inch Android GPS QLED player, 6GB RAM, 128GB ROM. Okay, with OEM good fitting casing. A big casing. Okay, and connect with a OEM Canbus Socket Pnp. So the top small screen is no more function because the behind the screen the plug and play socket already connect to the Canbus plug and play to connect for your steering control. You can choose either one. You want a screen on or you want a steering control function on. So you change the aftermarket player, so you have to, the socket will change, connect to the Canbus socket. This is 6GB RAM, Cogoo brand. Setting, network, turn on Wi-Fi, connect phone hotspot for internet, or insert a SIM card, 4G SIM card. Use a 4G data, direct online. About car, Android version 10, 6GB RAM, 128 storage. Bluetooth call, Bluetooth music. This is pairing with your phone Bluetooth for Bluetooth call. Click for the BT music to share your phone music to car player. Play Store, log in Gmail to download app. So it's got a 2 USB extension and a 4G antenna, 4G SIM card slot. So got 2 4G antenna. Sorry, it's got 1 4G antenna for 6GB RAM with hidden inside the pillar. 1 4G antenna and a GPS antenna as well to detect your car location. Equalizer, flexible control, 32 band flexible control DSP, or preset channel. Car setting, video PIP, system setting, factory setting, password 1617. Okay, so this is Ford Ranger T6 OEM casing, OEM Canbus socket plug and play. Installed by one piece. And our shop in Seri, Kembangan, Selangor, Malaysia. Thank you.